Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 8th, 2024, and we're diving into Monster Beverage's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, Senior Analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Monster Beverage has just released their Q3 2024 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack, from their sales performance to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Monster Beverage reported net sales of $1.88 billion for the third quarter, a 1.3% increase from last year. However, net income per diluted share decreased to 38 cents from 43 cents. John, can you explain these results?
Absolutely. While net sales saw a modest increase, the net income per share declined due to several factors, including increased operating expenses and adverse foreign currency impacts. The gross profit margin improved slightly to 53.2% thanks to lower input costs and strategic pricing actions.
And what about the adjusted figures?
Adjusted net income per share was 40 cents, slightly down from 41 last year. This adjustment accounts for specific items like inventory reserves and legal expenses, providing a clearer picture of the company's core performance.
Segment performance. Monster's various segments showed mixed results. The Monster Energy Drinks segment saw sales of $1.72 billion, while the Strategic Brands segment grew by 14%. However, the Alcohol Brands segment declined by 6%. What are your thoughts, John?
The Monster Energy Drinks segment remains the core driver, with a slight increase despite currency headwinds. The Strategic Brands segment's growth is impressive, driven by strong performance in acquired brands. The decline in Alcohol Brands is mainly due to reduced craft beer sales, but the company is restructuring this segment for future growth.
And how did international sales fare?
International sales increased by 3.6%, accounting for over 40% of total sales. On a currency-adjusted basis, the growth was even more robust at 12.1%, highlighting Monster's expanding global footprint.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Operating expenses rose to $509.9 million, impacting profitability. However, Monster has been active in share repurchases, buying back $534.7 million worth of stock. How does this fit into their strategy?
The increase in operating expenses is partly due to legal costs and strategic investments. The share repurchase program reflects confidence in the company's long-term value, aiming to enhance shareholder returns. Additionally, a 5% price increase on certain products starting November 2024 is expected to bolster margins.
What about their innovation pipeline?
Innovation remains a cornerstone of Monster's strategy. Recent launches like Monster Energy Ultra Vice Guava and Predator Energy Gold Strike in China have been well received. The company is also exploring new opportunities in the alcohol segment, which could drive future growth.
Leadership insights and strategic initiatives. Monster's leadership has shared some insights on their strategic direction. What are the key takeaways from their statements?
CEO Hilton Schlossberg highlighted the resilience and growth potential of the energy drink category, especially outside the U.S. The restructuring of the alcohol brands under new management is a strategic move to capitalize on this segment. Additionally, their robust innovation pipeline is set to drive future growth, with new products and market expansions.
How does this align with their global strategy?
Monster is focusing on increasing household penetration and per capita consumption globally. Their efforts in non-U.S. markets are paying off, as seen in the strong international sales growth. This aligns with their strategy to diversify and expand their global presence.
Key takeaways. In summary, Monster Beverage has shown resilience with a 1.3% increase in net sales and a strong focus on innovation and strategic growth. Despite some challenges, their adjusted EPS of 40 cents and significant share buyback program highlight their commitment to shareholder value. John, any final thoughts?
Monster's strategic initiatives and focus on innovation position them well for future growth. While there are challenges, their proactive measures and global expansion efforts are promising for investors.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Monster Beverage's performance in the comments below.